Hey students, I'm going to walk you through the very basics of Pen Tool again. So to do this letter tracing exercise, you're going to open from computer and find the file that you downloaded from Canvas, or simply click and drag it into Photopea. Create a new layer in the Layers panel, and then you can write your name at the top. A reminder that here you can change the size and the font if you want to. And I'm going to go back to my layer here and select a plain layer for you to start using the pen tool. If you click and hold this tool, you'll notice that there's the free pen option and the pen tool. We're doing the pen tool. I'm going to zoom in, and I suggest that you do the same. And then take a look at the fill and stroke here. I'm going to adjust this so that the fill is transparent and the stroke is black. Here you can adjust how thick the line is. I'm going to do a 10-point thickness for the stroke so that you can see it easily. All right, so now once you have that adjusted, let's start. So create a point by clicking on a corner. I'm going to start here. I suggest you do the same if you're really lost, and create an anchor point. And that's just done by clicking. It shows up as a blue circle. Click at a second point and create a straight line. Now for the curve, I'm going to find a spot about halfway through this curve and click, and I did not let go. Hold and drag the handlebars. Those are these two straight lines that are coming out of the center blue anchor point. Click, hold, and drag until your curve matches the curve of the A. The next part depends on what kind of keyboard you are using. If you are on a Chromebook or a PC, press and hold Alt. At the same time, you are clicking this anchor point, and that will delete one of those handlebars. If you're on a Mac, use the Option key. The next step after this is to finish the curve. So do the same thing. Click, hold, drag, and adjust the handlebar to match the curve of the A. Press Alt or Option, click the center anchor point there, and then continue. The goal of this project is for you to become more proficient in using the pen tool. The pen tool is an essential part of digital illustration because these curves are vectorized and they are mathematically perfect. You're not going to have to worry about an unsteady brush stroke to color something in or create a line when you can use the pen tool. So the goal for this project is to change the color of these letters from this periwinkle color into a color of your choice. As I am creating this demonstration example, it is transparent. However, after I am finished, I can then go in and change the color afterwards. Notice this very last point here, I am about to finish the A. This is important for when you can change the colors. This is the first anchor point I created, and this is my second to last one. In order to close the shape, you must click that same initial first anchor point that you created in order to close it. And that's important when you want to change the colors. So let's zoom out, and I will create a new shape down here. And notice as soon as I clicked a different area, it showed up as a point in my layers panel. Click, hold, drag, Alt, click to delete that handlebar. Again, make sure you're closing the pathway in your last shape. Okay. Now to change the stroke and the fill, I'm going to select this outline of the A, and I'm going to change it, just as an example, to yellow. Now the inside shape, that's going to be, we want that to match the background, so we're going to change that to white. Click off, the letter A has changed colors. Okay, so do repeat this process for the rest of the letters, and good luck. This is a project and a program that is really particular about the order of which you press tools within the program and then what keys you press simultaneously. Practice and reach out to me earlier rather than later so that I can help you problem solve with whatever you're struggling with. Good luck and have fun!